Can a driver being investigated for driving under the influence ever pass or win a field sobriety test? In my opinion, field sobriety tests are a lot like those carnival games you play at Six Flags because they're designed to make you fail. You see, once an officer has smelled the odor of alcohol on your breath, you will generally be arrested and cited for driving under the influence. It's that same officer who decides whether you get to drive home or whether you will be driven in handcuffs down to the closest police station. Everything about the field sobriety test is under the control of the arresting officer, and nearly every aspect of the field sobriety test is based on their subjective opinion. And it's their opinion that determines whether you pass. Many drivers are told by the arresting officers that they performed well on the field sobriety tests, only to read later in the police report how poorly they actually performed. I've even had some clients tell me that the arresting officer told them, "Oh, the DA will probably just dismiss the case." Which begs the question, why would an officer place you under arrest in the first place if they truly believed the case would just later be dismissed? That just makes absolutely no sense. But keep this in mind. In California, field sobriety tests are voluntary and you do not need to attempt them. Now, declining to take the field sobriety tests might result in your arrest. But let's be honest here. If you've already been pulled over, you're being asked to perform the field sobriety tests and take a breathalyzer test, the police officer has already probably made up their mind that they're going to arrest you. However, by declining to take the field sobriety tests, it's one less piece of evidence the district attorney has, which means it makes your case a weaker case. So don't attempt any field sobriety tests because a police officer is almost never going to say you passed.